Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery for a Honda HR-V, and this is for model years 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 into present. So this one's a really easy fob to change. So if you look on the back, there's a little knob here that's got like an arrow. It looks like you can pointing down. So go ahead and pull that towards you, and then pull out the internal valet key. And we don't even need any tools to do this. So we can take the valet key, and if you look at this key fob, there's a nice line that goes all the way around it. This one's really easy to switch and change and pop into two pieces. So the fastest way to do that is take your valet key, put it right in the middle there. There's kind of a slot where it'll fit perfectly. If you can line it up right in the middle, and then just kind of twist your valet key a little bit, and don't worry about breaking this fob. It's really easy to come apart, and this just slides apart into two pieces. Now you can see the battery that we need to change is a CR2032. Again, this is for the Honda HR-V smart key fob. And to get this out, you can just take your key fob, get underneath there, pop that thing out. And I find it easiest to pop out from this side. You can see there's some two longer teeth that kind of hold in battery. So when you've got a new one to put in, new CR2032, make sure the positive side with the lettering is facing towards you. Put it underneath those longer teeth first, pop it in, and that's how you do that. And then just go ahead and get your other piece, snap that back together, boom, and put your valet key back in, and you're done. That's how you change the key battery on the HR-V smart key.